you machining intelligently? New multi-master solid-carbide fast feed heads. Introducing the latest innovation in machining technology, the new multi-master solid-carbide fast feed heads. With a new geometry that features more capabilities, these heads are designed to take your machining efficiency to the next level. What sets these heads apart is their unique design, incorporating 6 flutes for higher productivity. This means faster material removal rates, allowing you to complete your machining tasks in a fraction of the time. But that's not all. These heads also offer ramping and slotting capabilities, making them versatile tools for a wide range of machining applications. Whether you need to rough machine a part or create precise slots, these heads have got you covered. The nominal diameter range of these heads is 8 to 25 millimeters or 0.31 to 0.98 of an inch, providing you with options to fit various machining requirements. No matter the size of your project, you can count on these heads to deliver exceptional performance. To ensure durability and longevity, the heads are made from PVD-coated carbide grade IC903. This coating enhances their wear resistance and extends their tool life, allowing you to achieve consistent results over time. Another remarkable feature of these heads is their ability to machine hardened steel of up to 65 HRC. This makes them ideal for applications where hardness is a critical factor, such as die and mold or automotive industries. Each head is designated as MMEFFS, indicating its capabilities and flute count. With this clear designation, you can easily select the right head for your specific machining needs. In conclusion, the new multi-master solid-carbide fast feed heads with their 6 flutes, ramping and slotting capabilities, and a wide range of nominal diameters are the ultimate tools for efficient, rough machining using high-feed milling techniques. Upgrade your machining capabilities today with the new multi-master solid-carbide fast feed heads and experience the difference they can make in your productivity and efficiency.